Hello fellow Greekosophers, welcome once again to our Greekosophy channel, and in today's video we yet again have a review of another traditional Greek cheese, one of the cheeses we bought in the island of Tinos when we went on holidays, and today we present you balaki or volaki. Balaki means little ball, and it's produced by Mantalena Dairies, and all the links and information about this product and the producer will be in the description of the video below. Now, balaki, as you can see, is a small round cheese. It is from the island of Tinos, as I said, and you create this shape. The people that make it actually make the shape by, shaping it by hand. And they give that particular shape as a small ball. It comes from cow's milk. It has salt, and depending on how long you allow it to ripen, it can be soft or hard. This particular one is hard, so it has been ripened for quite some time. And if you let it ripen quite for a long time, then the intensity of its taste and how spicy it can get depends on that. So I expect this to have quite an intense taste and spicy as well. So without further ado, let us open it up and see what to expect. Now, if you have been watching our videos, it seems, although it doesn't look in color, like the what was the one that we laughed about, the grothotiraki that we have bought. So I'll put a link to that video as well. So yes, it's quite hard to do the touch. It has a slightly creamy inside thing, but it's quite hard. Let me give it a go then. Oh, very lovely smell of fresh milk. And again, it reminds me of Graviera, this one. Oh. Ooh. Initially, as you chew it, it sort of crumbles very easily in your mouth, but you don't get any flavor, any saltiness. But the more you start chewing it and it melts, suddenly the saltiness level increases and the intensity of the flavor increases. And now almost 10 seconds after that, now I can feel a little bit of spiciness, pepperiness in my mouth. This is quite a very strange experience. Nothing so far. It's all crumbled in my mouth. Now the saltiness increases. Intense flavor, Mizithra-like. Now it's all gone, but as it leaves my mouth, as it goes down in my throat, it leaves my mouth with a peppery spiciness, and now my throat gives me that little thing with pepper in there. That is, I've never seen that in a cheese before. It's not extremely salty. It has the nice saltiness, and as with all the not Mizithra, the Graviera cheeses, it will go well with pasta, it will go well in pies, but even on its own, with some bread and some sweet ripened tomatoes, that will really be an exciting cheese to have.
Would you like to try it?
And a couple of glasses of ouzo, maybe.
Would you like to try it with some from our tomatoes?
Definitely, but let's see what you think first, and then we'll give it a go with some tomatoes from our garden.
Okay. So let's try this one to see, because I'm very curious with the way that you described it. Okay. Not so salty. I like the level of salt that it has. Now you can feel it here, as you said. Exactly as you described it. I like this one. I like it very much, this one. And I can't wait to have pasta and try it this one. It's very nice, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's get some of our little
Tomatoes.
cherry tomatoes from our garden and try it with that and see how it goes.
Give me a moment.
Bit of salt. Okay, let's try it with a tomato. Come on.
Okay, bit of cheese, a bit of tomato together. Let's have a look. I think that you're absolutely right. The sweetness of the tomato, the little bit salt that the cheese has, it balances it. It's perfect. And now you don't feel that too much burn in my throat, at least I don't feel it so much. I think it's spot on, perfect. You should try it.
Okay, but give me your marks first.
Okay, with or without the tomato?
Without it.
Without the tomato. For this one, I would say that I would give about 8.5.
8.5. Very good.
Yeah,
points. Okay.
yeah, I told you. The crucial point for me is the salt.
Yes.
I see that this one is okay for my taste. With the tomato, goes a little bit over the 8.5. Not 9, but goes that direction.
Okay. Now, we've put some salt in the tomato as well. We forgot that the cheese is salty already, but that's okay. That is what Greece is all about in this mouthful. I think that this particular cheese on a table surrounded by friends, olives, paksimadi, the rusk bread, this cheese, ripe tomatoes, a bit of ouzo, a bit of raki. That's all you need. That's all you need. Perfect, perfect. I really like this cheese. Well done. Maddalena, is it?
Maddalena.
Well done, Maddalena. This is a very, very interesting cheese. Even eating it on its own, it keeps you interested because you have that journey of flavors as you chew it. I would give it, yes, 8.5. 8.5 for me. Very good cheese. As I said in previous videos, I don't think you will be able to find it outside of Greece. But if you check on the description and the title of the video to see its name, have a look on the internet and see if your country or your area imports any balaki or volaki from the island of Tinos. But this is a very interesting cheese. I'm looking forward to finish it off in the next couple of days. Thank you very much for watching this journey of our reviews of cheese reviews. As you are looking through this video, you're gonna see some other videos popping up. If any of them interest you, by all means, click to go to the next video. We will continue to review a few more products for you in the next few days. And for the time being, thank you very much for watching. I'm just gonna go and eat some more volaki.